Imperative sentences. Today, we are going to learn how to convert active voice of imperative sentences into passive voice. To begin with, we need to understand what are imperative sentences. These are the sentences expressing request, order, advice, command, warning, etc. These sentences usually do not have a subject. The subject is understood. For example, bring that book here. In this, bring is the verb, that book is the object, and here is the adverb or the rest of the sentence. You can very clearly see that the sentence is beginning with the verb. It doesn't have a subject in the beginning. Now, how to change such sentences into a passive voice? But before that, we need to know the object. What is the object? Bring that book here. What is to be brought? That book. So that book is the object. Let's understand the formula to change this sentence into a passive voice. Please remember, children, the imperative sentences in passive voice begin with let. So the first word will be let, followed by the object plus be plus past participle of the verb bring, which is brought, and plus the rest of the sentence. Here it is here, the adverb. So your answer is let that book be brought here. Let's take one more example to understand it. Keep your hands off. In this sentence, what is the object? What is to be kept off? Your hands. So, your hands is the object. As per the formula, begin the sentence with let, followed by the object. So, let your hands be, past participle of the verb keep is kept, rest of the sentence is off. So the answer is let your hands be kept off. Let's take another example. Punish that man. Punish whom? The man. So the man is the object. As per the formula, begin the sentence with let. Let plus the object, the man, plus be, plus the past participle of the verb punish is punished, and that's it, because there is nothing extra in the sentence. So your answer is let the man be punished. Let's take one more example. Give the order. What is to be given? The order. So the order is the object. Begin the sentence with let. Let followed by the object the order plus be plus the past participle of the verb give is given. So the answer is let the order be given. And here we go with one more example. Put that bottle on the table. What is to be put? The bottle. So that bottle is the object. Let's apply the formula and begin the sentence with let. Let that bottle be, past participle of the verb put is put plus the rest of the sentence. So your answer is let that bottle be put on the table. And here we go with one more example. Draw a big line on this paper. What is to be drawn? A big line. So a big line is the object. Let's begin the sentence with let. Let a big line be, past participle of the verb draw is drawn, plus the rest of the sentence on this paper here is an adverbial phrase. So your answer is let a big line be drawn on this paper. This is how we convert such sentences into passive voice.
Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.